Okay, so over time, it's possible that your drawer faces, the fronts of the drawers, will get out of alignment. Maybe they get bumped, maybe just a lot of vibration or whatever. So what you can do is, I try to build these so everything is adjustable for both function and aesthetics. So the drawer fronts, the actual drawer carcass here, has slotted holes to allow you to adjust the drawer face, the part that you see, to get even gaps all around the drawer. So you can see top and bottom here, the gaps are fairly even. So what you would do to adjust that, the easiest way, loosen all of the screws that hold the drawer face on except 3 or so. In this case, I'm just building the system, so I only have 3 installed. So I have 1 in that corner, 1 near that corner, and 1 in the bottom somewhere. Just snug them up, just so they hold it in place, and then you can close the drawer and you can check the gaps. Now if the gap is too big one way or the other, you can just gently tap it, or you can loosen the screw a little more and physically move it, and just kind of fiddle with it until you get even gaps. And once you do, go ahead and tighten them up. Once they're tight, then go ahead and add all the rest of the screws.